Okay, here's the next bellow after I shaved all the leather down using my Dremel with the sandpaper on it. Once the clock pushes it up, you do have some bellow action here. And if I was to shave the leather some more, it would be thinner and it would work better. This is the original bellow here. It's too tight. It's too thick. And this one is got shaved on it. Shaved the bellow. I think it could work if you want leather on your bellows. It's a lot cheaper than purchasing leather from a clock supplier. Like I said, to purchase this leather from a clock supplier, it's going to cost you about $20 to do one set of bellows. The material I bought from Hobby Lobby today, I could probably do 20 bellows, maybe more, 30 bellows. So you're saving quite a bit of money because it only cost me $20 for all that leather. You just have to do a little bit of work and sand it down, make it thinner. If I was to sand it on this some more, made it thinner, it would work. I'm going to keep some clamps on this, rubber bands, to conform it. It might get better. I only put these rubber bands on for about an hour. So keeping that tight like that, it might get the bellow to function better. But you decide what you want to do. The leather can come in different colors, but you'll just have to talk to them or dye it yourself. Anyway, I hope this y'all like this video, and it was just testing the leather from Hobby Lobby. Don't scold me with a bunch of comments, because this was just a test to see whether or not the leather from Hobby Lobby could work to replace the bellows. I believe it could if you scrape the leather down or sand it down with the Dremel like I was doing to make it thin enough. Anyway, I hope this video was enjoyable. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.